It's 11 a.m. We're in Peoria, Arizona, suburb of Phoenix. I've been riding since a little after 7, so it's time for me to head back home. This is a little church that I pass along the way, and I like to stop sometimes and just kind of like organize my brains such that they are, and then head back out. Let's go. It's a pretty wide turning radius on the trike, but that's okay. I have all the room in the world here. And just in case you're wondering, people at the church, they know who I am. They've they've seen the guy on the tricycle who parks in the corner and sits there sometimes. That's me. This is Cactus Road, somewhere between 67th Avenue and 79th Avenue. Actually, closer to 79th Avenue. And we're going to head east towards 67th Avenue. I don't usually go this way, but I've been kind of curious about what I thought. I thought I saw some construction up there. Stay with me and let's go take a look. This is still some wide open space. Over there on the left, I mean, there must have been a time when this was just a dirt road and this was way out in the country. Not anymore. Okay, we're getting closer. I can't really see anything. It says Beck Build, and it's a chain link fence with black stuff on it so you can't see in, but I'm going to try to sneak a peek in. Let me see there. Oh yeah, there's the old house. It must have been on a big chunk of land at one time. I have no idea what they're building here. They haven't put up a big sign that says coming soon or a drawing or anything like that. Kinda wish they would. Well, at least they're advertising United Concrete. As we come around the corner here, there's a nice little curvy stretch of sidewalk that I really like to ride on the trike. Here, I'll show you. The landscaping is kept up very nicely along here, although it looks like the bougainvillea is kind of growing out of control. That's kind of what it does. You have to watch out for those things. They're thorny. I remember when I bought my house, one of the plants that I planted, actually I got 3 of them, were bougainvillea, and they just got crazy out of control. The book on plants that I had described different rates of growth that went from slow, medium, fast, and the bougainvillea was called rampaging, and it is. Watch out. But it is so beautiful, and it does well in the heat and the sun. We have a lot of that here in Phoenix. Okay, we're coming up to an intersection here, so it's time for me to pay attention to what I'm doing. I can daydream along here, but there are cars up there. Yeah, I know I've said this before, but if you're on a recumbent trike, you're much better off on a trail. You're so small that cars really can't see you. I always give the right of way, share the road. There's somebody, they're having some difficulty with figuring out what to do. They've stopped, looks like they've stopped in the bike lane. Legally, they have the right of way, and so I don't want them to get into an accident because of me. I'll just sit here and wait, maybe drink some water, put on some chapstick, enjoy this beautiful day. Oh look, they're backing up. Cool. Oh man, that's nice. There's some good people out there. You can't see this, but I'm turning flashing him a big smile. Thank you very much. I love it. Thank you. These are my neighbors, and I've said this before. I don't share the road with cars. I share the road with people. And these people are just like me. They're doing the best they can. They just want to travel around safely and get to their destination without incident. Okay, now we're about to travel due south, and you can see the sun is low because it's, let's see, what's today? December 12th, coming up on the solstice in a few days. The sun will be at its lowest in the south. My next stop will be another little church I pass along the way. Money? Call Sargon. I couldn't read the rest of it. Okay, we're coming up on the Christian Worship Center, another little church I pass along the way. I like to stop here. I don't go into this church, but I consider it my church. I know the pastor and her husband, who gives me some advice on my ankle problems. He was the track coach at one of the high schools around here in Glendale. I don't remember which one. If you grew up around here, you probably know him. Okay, we're getting a little bit closer. There are picnic tables there. I don't know if you can see them, and I'm going to go up and take the trike very slowly and carefully up onto the sidewalk. This is wheelchair access, and no, there's no way I would ever do this if there were people around, but there's nobody around, so I'm going to go right up here and park the trike in the shade. People who know me know that I'm not a religious man, but I'm a spiritual man, and there's a big difference for me. Thank you for riding along with me this morning. Let's just sit here quietly, and if you care to, you can talk to God. Listen to the casual reply. See you next time.